Hey guys, thanks for watching Finger's Speech. So today, I'll show you how to make double cheese sushi roll. Yes, not double cheeseburger, but double cheese sushi roll. I said I'll show you, but actually, I'm not the one making it. I have a professional sushi maker roller to help me, and I'm the videographer today. But anyway, are you guys ready? So let's place the dry seaweed on the mat. Grab the vinegar rice and make a rice bowl and spread the rice on the dry seaweed. Make sure you don't squish the rice here. And flip! Then put your first favorite cheese in the middle. We went crazy and added avocado as well. Lift up the bottom of the mat and wrap it forward. Try to hold the ingredients so they don't escape. Wrap one layer, then slide your fingers across the mat to tighten it. Wrap it slightly more, then tighten it. And again. Bring the sushi out of the mat and make sure to tighten the size of the sushi using your palm. Okay, it's time for you to get your other favorite cheese out and place them on top of the roll. Get a piece of cling wrap and place it over the sushi roll. So this is where you need your second bamboo mat. This one shouldn't have the cling wrap on it. Place it over the sushi roll and tighten the roll. Make sure you tighten both edges of the roll as well. Are you ready to cut the roll? Make sure you wet your knife so it's easier to cut. After you finish cutting, you'll need the bamboo mat with cling wrap again, so you can tighten the roll one last time and remove the cling wrap. To make it extra special, look! We use the cooking torch to melt the cheese on top. I think it's time for me to eat them.